Today I want to show you how to create a game in which you can design your own character. So let's get started. The first step is to choose or even draw a sprite. So to draw a sprite, we have to go to choose a sprite and click on paint. I want an ice cream. We have to first separate those cream and the cone into two sprites, so we can change the costumes of the both. So to draw a triangular cone, we have to choose a color first. We don't have brown here, so first we have to choose orange and reduce the brightness. There. Now choose the square option and draw a square. But this is a square shape, not a triangular. So for that we have to go to this option, bring this point over here and this point over here. There. The cone is ready. Now to create at least 5 costumes of different colors of this cone. For that, first we have to copy this and click on paint again and paste. Click on this and go to fill, brightness into 100 and choose the color what you want. I'm choosing blue. Now I made 5 costumes of this cone in different colors. Now to create the cream. So for that we have to go to choose a sprite and choose paint. To create the cream, we have to change the color if you want. I'm changing to pink and draw a circle. It should be bigger than the cone. Select it if it's not big. And there. Now to just adjust the shape of this. I have to drag this point over here for that. And the same steps that is used for the cone. I have created 5 costumes of this cream. Now click on the coating. Next is to choose an arrow. Arrow 1. Let's increase the size of this. 60. Now another arrow. Increase the size of this arrow too. Now let's coat the arrows. Go to the green arrow and go to events when the sprite is clicked. Broadcast message 1, that is cream. A broadcast is a invisible message which is being transferred to other sprites. So let's go to cream, and when I receive cream, go to looks and choose next costume. Now go to arrow 2, which is the cones arrow. Go to even. When the sprite is clicked, broadcast a new message called cone. Go to the cone, and when I receive cone, next question. Now when I click the arrow near the cone's color change. And when I click the arrow near the cream also changes its color. If you don't feel to draw sprites, you can also choose a sprite. For example, I'm choosing Harper and choosing his dress. Now code this says when this sprite is clicked, switch to next question. You can also do this in this way too. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Bye.